watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather, coverage you can count on.
Houston, Texas faced some wild, wet weather today. You can see cars out in the rain driving through high waters today.
It's pretty crazy. I have a sister who lives in Houston, and I've seen the way it doesn't really drain that well in some of those streets out there. So good luck, drivers, be safe, but it's a different story here at home. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking our conditions.
Yeah, wet and wild in Houston here, breezy and balmy and bright weather. We didn't have anything wild at all, except it was well above average for this time of year. Taking a live look outside in the direction of Red Bluff, you can see Lassen Peak there in the distance on the right side of the screen. And to the left, further to the left, is Red Bluff. And picking that out in particular because it was a record breaker today. Look at this, Red Bluff, 88 degrees this afternoon, broke the record from 1960 by 4 full degrees. Other places were just as warm, but they weren't record breaking. One place specifically was Redding. We had a high today of 88. It's currently 87. However, the record high for today is 90. Thankfully, we didn't break that. 84 degrees right now in Chico. It's 86 degrees in Corning and Oroville. Even 75 degrees right now in Bernie. You can see the difference between now and 24 hours ago. Mount Shasta in particular, 19 degrees warmer than just 24 hours ago. Now, we didn't have a lot of cloud cover today. We didn't expect much. We had that ridge of high pressure in control of our weather right now. We're going to have a fairly clear to completely clear sky tonight through Wednesday, though after we get through sunrise tomorrow, there will be some high clouds moving overhead. They're not going to cool us down. They certainly won't bring any rain or mountain snow. We'll also have another mostly sunny day on Thursday, but there will be a slow but sure cooling trend ahead. As this ridge begins to break down, it's going to cool our temperatures. We'll have more clouds moving our way as well, especially by Saturday and Sunday. Here's that storm I was telling you about yesterday. Unfortunately, it doesn't want to really move over Northern California. It's heading towards Southern California. As it gets closer to our state, though, it will spread more clouds our way, and there is a chance for some light rain. The further south you live, it's more likely late Sunday, Monday, and early Tuesday, but don't cancel any plans right now. I'm going to show you why. Here's one of our forecast models, not very enthusiastic about our chances for widespread rain. You can see if you live south of the Tehama County line, that's where we have most of that rain. Even there, it's looking pretty light. Next half hour, I'm going to show you one of the other models, which is normally more optimistic about our chances, but there's no rain in the forecast for the next 3 days. Just a lot of sunshine and above average warmth. Peaking on Wednesday, much like today, in the upper 80s. Also upper 80s on Thursday, lower 80s Friday, gradually increasing clouds Saturday and Sunday, but it's still going to be above average. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Overnight lows will not be very cold for the northern mountains in the daytime highs. How about 70s? And 80s under a mostly sunny sky. Speaking of which, it won't be cold tonight for the northeastern part of our state. Lows in the 30s and 40s, highs also in the 70s. The ridge still very mild for this time of year tonight and tomorrow morning. Lows in the 50s and lower 60s with highs in the 70s and lower 80s. How about 78 degrees for Concal? 80 in Magalia, and 82 degrees for Paradise. For the valley, we'll also have a mild night tonight under a mostly clear sky. Overnight lows in the 50s, highs in the mid to upper 80s, pretty much where it was today, and we're going to be slightly below record breaking. For the Chico area, we'll also have lows tonight in the mid to upper 50s, highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s, just about as warm as it was today. Next 7 days in Chico, there is a cooling trend, but we only drop down to 68 degrees, which is still above average. There's a chance for some light rain, but don't cancel any plans just yet. And for the Redding area, upper 80s Wednesday and Thursday, lower 70s early next week.